Hello everyone, this is Raza from India, and today we are going to talk about Mystic Ocean from the Denver house. This is from the SRK autograph collection. I have already posted an introduction video about this line, and as I have promised that I will post review videos of all the fragrances individually. So today I am going to talk about Mystic Ocean. So first talk about its packaging and presentation. It's as I have earlier told in the video of the Intense Ocean, that Intense Oud, that the packaging is really good for the price. As you can see, the nice box with the satin black colored cloth, and that is where the perfume sits. A very nice packaging for the price. And on the top you can see the autograph collection with Flipkart Big Billion Days, because it was going on offer for around 50% discount during the Big Billion Days of Flipkart. And this is the Mystic Ocean, and it is in EDP concentration, and this is the 100 ml bottle. I guess they only have one size right now in the whole collection. And as you can see, all the details in the bottom, and about all the other fragrances, they have the pricing here, the batch code and everything, as you can see. And now talk about its bottle. Now keep the box aside. Now let's talk about its bottle. This is a very nice bottle, nice textured design on both the sides with a nice Denver logo in the front. This is autograph collection. This is Mystic Ocean. It is in Eau de Parfum concentration. A nice cap with somewhat leather design, blue colored, and the cap is snug fit. The atomizer is also really good, as you can see. Shoots nice spray. Now let's talk about its notes. So in the opening you will get a very nice lime along with some aquatic note. There is a kind of citrusy opening with a lime and lemon, orange also. So it is very much dominant towards the citrusy side, along with some marine notes, as the name suggests, Mystic Ocean. But again, it is dominated by the citrusiness as compared to the aquatic notes, but you will get a hint of aquatic notes as well. But as soon as is in the aquatic notes and the citrusiness starts dissipating, you will get a very nice hint of a spicy note that is very interesting, and it is somewhat floral also, more towards white floral side, a hint of jasmine and ylang ylang, along with some spiciness more towards clove. But that is not a very much a kind of, you can't appreciate individually because the notes are blended in such a good way, I would say. But there is definitely some spiciness along with some white floral notes, which is very interesting in the mid. And in the bottom it has got the depth what patchouli provides. In the depth it also have some muskiness, something very, I would say, very much kind of white musk and cashmere kind of note in the bottom. So it was all about the notes. The performance, as far as is concerned, the performance for the price is really good. It lasted for around 5 hours, almost 6 hours. But during the winter time, I also want to test it when the summer comes, because it is kind of typical summer fragrance which we will love to wear during the summer heat, because it has the aquatic note. It is somewhat fresh and clean kind of fragrance with some floral note as well. So during the winter time the performance was really good for the price. The projection was also very good. It projects decently for the first hour, and even after that the projection was I would say not very poor. It is still keeps on projecting. And as far as the sillage is concerned, the sillage is also very good. It lingers a very nice smell as you keeps on moving, especially the mid note is very nice, very interesting notes. Now talk about the price to value ratio and the compliment factors. You will get a lot of compliments with it, because it is fresh, it is clean, it has the aquatic note, it has a very nice opening, the mid is also very good. So it is kind of easy to like kind of fragrance, not very tough to wear like the Intense Oud It is very easy to like, so you will get a lot of compliments out of it. And it is very versatile. You can wear it even during your office, during party, during dating also. I would say kind of very versatile fragrance in terms of its where you should wear this, and in terms of the season when you should wear this. It is also versatile in that aspect, but it is a kind of typical summer fragrance, not a kind of winter fragrance, because it does not have that much depth or the warmth which we typically see in the winter fragrances. And as far as the price to value ratio is concerned, the price to value ratio is superb, because you will get it on discounts. You will get it around 600 rupees, which is really good for the packaging, for the bottle, and for the juice as well. And if you have any query regarding Mystic Ocean, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.